Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing while launching the game AC Shadows. You got an error, Dx12 error with code 0x887A0005 or 0006. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, if you have turned on the NVIDIA in-game overlays, go ahead and turn them off. Launch the control panel of NVIDIA, click on this general option and then click on in-game overlays and make sure you toggle it off. Now in the Ubisoft Connect, launch Ubisoft Connect, click on your profile icon and choose option settings, and right in the interface uncheck the option enable in-game overlays for supported games. Close it. After doing this step, make sure you have the updated GPU drivers because recently both AMD as well as NVIDIA has launched a new driver update to fix out the crashing issues. So make sure you must update your GPU drivers and then launch the game. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to settings menu, choose system and click on the option display. Right over here, click on the option advanced display, and under the refresh rate from drop down list, whichever refresh rate is available, make sure you lock your refresh rate to 60 Hz. After locking it to 60 Hz, close it. Now go ahead and launch the game. Somehow the game will be able to launch, but as the game launches, you need to open the graphic settings of the game and you need to turn off DLAA as well as frame generation. After turning off both DLAA as well as frame generation, go ahead and again quit the game, and then you can go back and change the refresh rate and then launch the game to fix out the issue. If this also failed, in next step, open your client, whether it is Steam or Ubisoft. If it is Steam, go to a library, right click on your game and choose option properties. Right in the general tab, you will find the option launch options. From here, whatever it is present, delete and type in -Dx12. Close it and launch the game. If this failed to work out, type in -Dx11 and close it and then relaunch the game. If you are using Ubisoft, launch the launcher, click on the three dot icon next to your game and choose option manage, and here click on option properties. Now under the add launch arguments, type in -Dx12. Again, if this doesn't work, type in Dx11, then click on option save. Now close it and relaunch the game, and hopefully this will fix out the issue. And if none of these methods fail to work out, you need to wait for a while until the developer of the game releases a new hotfix update to resolve this DirectX errors while playing the game. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.